Alright, here we go.
If you're able to see me, then can you see me?
I see you.
Alright, that's what I'm talking about.
We just got back from saving a life.
Yeah.
This is our hero right here. Got us here in record time.
You know, 6 minutes.
Word.
Yep.
And even made a friend along the way.
Yeah, she was digging me. She said I was really hot in Korean.
That's right. I heard.
I didn't understand, but I did.
That's right.
So I had to kick the lingo right back. I was like, 당신은 너무 아름다워요.
Word.
You know what I mean? I kicked the flavor right back, and I kicked it right in her ear.
I don't think she's ready for you.
Nah, I don't think she's ready for me either. But, here we are back on our way to, Count Walker. Let's see this one. Oh, it's a man. How you doing? You be a lady, friend of mine.
Good stuff.
How many minutes do I have left on it?
It says 17 minutes.
Woo! I'll make it home before that.
You want me to record all the way there?
I'll be one. If not, don't worry. You can record outside, put it off. It don't matter. Look at that.
Okay, so we just saw some.
안녕하세요.
This is Korea, Dongsan Hospital.
안녕하세요. Hello. Man. Don't do it. Don't do it. Fucking idiot.
You were saying you learned how to drive in Korea?
Yeah.
Good stuff. This is the best place.
This is an illegal turn, but you don't figure over. Woo, motherfucker! You don't give a fuck. This is the fastest way to get back to Camp Walker. I've been in Korea a little over a year now, and I know my way ups and downs throughout the city, Daegu. So, can you fix my mirror?
Yep. Push it out?
Yeah, push it out.
Alright.
And little up.
Up.
Yeah.
There it is. Oh, I can't.
Oh, no?
There we go. Yeah, I got it.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking
Right
about.
there?
Perfect.
All right.
Now I can see, right. Yeah. Look at this guy, he moved out the way from me. Thank you. You know what? I guess I'll break the red light.
That's probably because,
What the hell is this guy doing, man?
Alright, fixed. I'm shutting it.
Yeah,